In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Toolbar in Google Docs. If your menus and formatting buttons suddenly vanished, do not worry, we will bring them back in a few simple moves. First, we will use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually the quickest fix. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl, Shift, and F together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and F together. After you press the shortcut, look at the very top of your document. The row with File, Edit, and View, along with the bold and alignment icons, should pop back into view. If you press the same keys again, you will see that it hides the toolbar, then shows it again. This is useful to remember because some people hide the toolbar by accident with this shortcut and do not realize what happened. Next, let us restore the toolbar using the button on the screen. Open your Google Docs document so that you can see your text or a blank page. Now move your eyes to the upper right corner of the document area. Just under the browser address bar, you should see a small downward pointing arrow labeled Show Menus or very close to that. Click that tiny arrow once. Right after you click, the toolbar row with File, Edit, View, and all your formatting buttons should slide back into place across the top. A quick detail many beginners miss is that this arrow changes appearance when the toolbar is visible, and you can click it again to hide the menus if you ever want extra vertical space. From there, we will check whether full screen mode is hiding everything. If your browser is in full screen, toolbars and tabs can disappear, which makes Docs look very bare. To exit full screen in Google Docs, press the Escape key on your keyboard once. Watch the top edge of your screen. If you were in full screen, the browser tabs and address bar should return, and with them, the Docs toolbar usually reappears. If pressing Escape does not change anything, your browser may be using its own full screen shortcut. On most Windows browsers, press the F11 key to exit full screen mode. When full screen turns off, your normal browser frame comes back, and Google Docs shows the menu bar and formatting tools again at the top. On other systems, full screen can also be toggled from the browser view menu, and once you leave it, Docs no not need any extra refresh to show the toolbar. At this point, you have seen how to restore the missing Google Docs toolbar with a shortcut, the Show Menus arrow, or by leaving full screen. If this helped you get your menus back, a quick thumbs up helps more people fix the same problem, and feel free to subscribe if you want more simple Docs tips.